In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the zoom level on Outlook email messages for easier reading. This simple adjustment can make a significant difference if you're struggling to read your emails due to small text or other visual challenges. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. To begin, open your browser and navigate to the Microsoft Outlook page. You'll see the familiar Outlook interface where all the magic happens. Once there, you'll want to click on the Sign In button to access your personal account. If you already have your credentials saved, this part will be quick and straightforward. For those who don't, simply type in your login details on the Sign In page. Now, don't rush through this stage. Make sure you've entered your credentials correctly to avoid any login issues. Once everything looks good, go ahead and hit Next. This will take you to your Outlook dashboard, which serves as your home base for managing all your emails. From here, direct your attention to the inbox, where you'll find a list of your recent email messages. Navigate through the list and locate an email that you would like to adjust the display settings for. It's entirely up to you which email you choose, so feel free to pick one that you've been meaning to read or respond to. Once you spot the email, click on it to open it up. You're now looking at the full content of the email, and this is where you can alter the zoom settings to better suit your needs. Here's how to do it. Press the Ctrl key on your keyboard, and while holding it down, gently scroll up or down on your mouse wheel. By scrolling upwards, you'll be zooming in, making the text larger and more readable. Conversely, scrolling down will zoom out, offering a broader view with smaller text. Feel free to experiment with these settings until you find the zoom level that provides the most comfort for your reading preferences. This quick adjustment is a great tool to enhance your email reading experience, especially if you often find yourself squinting or straining your eyes to digest information. It's a little tip that can make an email-heavy day slightly less cumbersome. So there you have it, folks. Changing the zoom level could be just what you need to turn your inbox from a blurry mess into something manageable and easy on the eyes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks that will help you get the most out of your favorite programs. Have a great day, and happy emailing.